Good morning, students. Up to question number 6 we have discussed in the last video, arranging in ascending and descending order. Today we are going to discuss from 7 to 9. Insert a fraction between 20 by 21 and 25 by 26. Such types of question if comes, then how to insert a fraction between two fraction is very simple. You have to understand the method. Okay. And here insert two fractions between this and this. Here only one. Means only one fraction you have to insert, but in this you have to insert two fractions. So the method is, look at here, question number 7. There is two fraction. So if you have to insert one fraction between these two, what we will do? We will add the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 20 plus 25 divided by 21 plus 26. Okay, we will get 45 by 47. So this is the fraction which is between these two. So 20 by 21 and between this 25 by 26 we will write 45 by 47. In between this is the fraction. Okay, so 45 by 47 is between this and this. Simple. But you have to suppose insert two fraction between these two or 3. Then for the first fraction between this and this, what we will do? We will add numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator like this. Just like this. 22 by 30. You can cancel it also. Like 2 11 and 2 15. 11 by 5 is the another fraction. And if you don't want to cancel, you can take it as it is. Between these two, there is this fraction. Now you have to find out one more fraction. So one more fraction we have, the second fraction is equal to this plus this divided by this plus this. You can do this also, or you can do this plus this divided by this plus this. Okay, you can take any one. So I am going to add this 2 and this 2. So this plus this by this, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. And we have got 29 by 14, another fraction. So this and this are the two different fractions which is between 7 by 11 and 15 by 19. This two. Okay. Yes, you can get different answer if you will add this 2 and this 2 and you will cancel. If I will cancel this 11 by 15 I can get, and then 11 by 15 we will write here, and then we will add this to numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Then you can get different answer. Yes, in this question you can get different answers. So it is not necessary that same answer everyone. There is only one unique answer in this. It is not necessary. You can get different because between two fractions we can get infinite number of fractions. Okay, depending upon the method you can get different answers also. So if your answer is not matching with this or with the book, don't panic. Only listen the method and do it carefully. Numerator to numerator you have to add and denominator to denominator. This 2 and this 2. Okay. Suppose 3 fraction you have to find. Then I have added this 2 and this 2. Then for the third you can add this 2 and this 2. Okay. So these are the method. And next question is, yes, what is equivalent fraction? Verify that this and this are equivalent. So we will verify, but before that you understand what is equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction means, suppose I am writing here 2 by 3. It is a fraction, but I want equivalent of this, some more fraction. So nothing you have to do but only multiply up and down with the same number. Any number, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Any number you can multiply, but up and down with the same number. 2, 3 is 6, 3, 3 is 9. Okay. Again another equivalent you want, you multiply up and down with the same number. Okay. More equivalent you want, you multiply with up and down with the same number. Any number. 5 2 is 10 by 3 5 is 15. You can see whether it is equivalent or not. Cancel out. 2 3 is 6. No. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. So 2 by 3. Here you just cancel out. 4 2 is 8. 4 3 is 12. 2 by 3. Here 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 2 by 3. You can see all these are 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, which is equal to this 2 by 3. So all these are equivalent fractions. Okay, so if you have to find out the equivalent fraction, you can simply multiply up and down with the same number. So, but in this question, it is asked that verify that this and this are equivalent or not. Yes, if you have to verify that two fractions are equal or not, then what you have to do, suppose two fraction I will take, one is 2 by 3 and another is suppose 10 by 15. And you have to verify that two are equivalent or not. Simply you will multiply A in, suppose this is A by B, this is C by D. A into D is equal to B into C. You have to do like this. So 2 into 15, we will get here 30. 30 into, sorry, 20 into 20. It is 2 by 3 and this is 10 by 15. Yes, then 3 into 10, here also we will get 30. 30 is equal to 30, so it is equivalent. So only you have to cross multiply and check both the side are coming same or not. So question number 9 you have to solve like this. A into D is equal to B into C. Means this into this is equal to this into this. You can see this into this 12960 will come, and if you will multiply this 2, we will get 12960. Both are same, so they are equivalent fractions. Got it? So complete this exercise. Next exercise, you have to understand now fundamental operations on fraction. So fundamental fractions are plus, minus, into and divide. How we can add two fractions, how we can subtract, multiply and divide two fractions. So today we will learn how to add and subtract two fractions. Suppose this is in minus, you have to subtract these two fractions. So first of all we will take the LCM of the denominator. What is denominator? 21 and 14. Take out its LCM. 3 7 ja 21. 7 table. 7 3 ja 21. 7 2 ja 14. Now you cannot cancel it. 7 3 ja 21. 21 2 ja 42. Okay. 42 is the LCM. Now you have to make the denominator equal. So with what number you will multiply so that the denominator will be equal to 42? 21 2 ja 2. 2 2 up and down, that is equal to 40 by 42. Here 9 by 14. 14 into what? So that equal to 42. Denominator 14. 14 into 3. Okay, so up also 3. 9 3s are 27. 14 3s are 42. Now both the denominators are equal. Okay, now you can add it. One is this method, 40 by 42 plus 27 by 42. Okay, now you can add it. 67 by 42 is the answer. Sorry, minus not. You have to do plus not. You have to do minus. So subtract it. Don't add. 40 minus 27. 10 minus 7. We will get here 3. And here will be 3 minus 2. 1. 13 by 42 will be the answer. Okay, first we will make the denominator same and then, but if there will be big numbers like this, 2 3 fractions will be there, 3 4 5 6, then also if you will go with this method it is okay, but you should learn one more method which is very very important and you have to apply in your further classes that method only. Same question I am going to solve by that method, okay, to make you understand. Very simple. 20 by 21 minus 9 by 14. Suppose this is the question. First of all, we will take the LCM. So right now we have taken the LCM. Same LCM will come 42. Now after taking the LCM, you have to write the LCM in the down 42 here. Okay. Now what you have to do, this is the denominator and this is also the denominator. You have to divide this 42 by 21. So 42 you are going to divide by 21. 2 ja 42, you know, we will get 2 only. So this 20 will be in its own place, but we will multiply with this 20 by that number which we will get as a quotient by dividing this and this. 21 2 ja 42, so we will multiply here with 2. Okay, minus sign will be as it is. Okay, now again this 9 will be in its own place only. Multiply, divide this and this. 14 into what? So that we will get 42. 14 3 ja 42. So we will multiply here 3. Simple. Now multiply 20 into 2, 40 minus 9 into 3, 27 by 42. Now you have to subtract it. 40 minus 27 will be equal to 13 by 42. You can see this is the same answer as 13 by 42. Now we have taken out. This method and this method are two different methods. Okay, try to use this method only, because this method you are using from your earlier classes, junior classes. Now you are going to the senior, so you have to learn this method also. This is very important. Take the LCM, write the LCM down and do division, denominator to denominator, and multiply with this. Denominator to denominator, divide and multiply with this. Okay, if there is plus sign, then you will give plus. If there is minus sign, you will just subtract it. Simple. Similarly, question number exercise question or example question, I have taken one. Suppose this is an example question. If this type of mixed fraction will be there, then what you will do? You will take, first of all, we will make it, change this into improper fraction. All the mixed fraction you change into improper fraction. Okay. So 3 2 ja 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 minus 5 4 ja 20 plus 3, 23 by 5 plus 7 10 ja 70 plus 7, 77 by 10. Now we have changed this into improper fraction. Now what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of the denominator. So take it 3, 5 and 10. So what we will get as LCM? 3 will be 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Further you cannot divide, so 5 3 ja 15, 2 ja 30 is the LCM. So 30 we have got as a LCM. Now what you have to do? Simple, you have to write here 30. Okay. After that, this 7 will be in its own place, but we will multiply something with this. This and this you have to divide. 3 divided by 10, 30 divided by 3. Divide this by 30, you have to divide by 3. 3 10 ja 30 minus sign, it is same, you have to write the same sign. Okay, 23 into 5 divided by 30 divided by 5. Okay, this will be divisor, this will be the dividend. So 5 6 are 30, so we will multiply here with 6 plus this 77 in its own place, 10, again divide this 2, 30 divided by 10, we will get 3, 10 3 ja 30. Now what you have to do next? Multiply. 7 10 ja 70, minus sign will be as it is, plus sign will be as it is. Multiply 6 3 ja 18, 138 plus 7 3 ja 21, 231 divided by 30. Now what you have to do? This is in plus, this is in plus. Plus plus plus. Add this 2 first. So if you will add this 2, we will get 301. 301 minus 138 by 30. Now subtract this to 11 minus 8, we will get 3, then 6, then 1. 163 by 30. Now further you cannot cancel it, so this will be the only answer. Got it? Simply you have to take the LCM, write that LCM down, and then divide the denominator to denominator and multiply with all the numerator. Okay, I hope you have understood this method. Same method you have to follow for exercise 2.2 question number 1. This is your homework. Okay, if you can do question number 2 also, these all are multiplication. Off means what? Multiply and cancel out and write the answer. If you can do it. Otherwise in the next video we will discuss rest of the questions. Till then complete up to question number 1. Okay.